So I get one or two comments on most of the videos that I post asking for entry-level software engineering or tech job. As you know, tech work is very lucrative, can be very fun to do. It's a lot of work from home, remote opportunities, and people who live in other countries, other nationalities can also get into them depending on where the job is. United States, Poland, Brazil, India, wherever. So if you're not scared of the tech layoffs that are in the news right now, which by the way you shouldn't, and still trying to push forward with finding your software engineering or tech work, then this is the video for you. Figured I cater to that audience who's been asking, and I appreciate that. I welcome that. Like I always say at the end of my videos, let me know what you're looking for and I will make it happen on this channel. So here are some software engineering entry-level work from home remote jobs. Let's get started. So job number one on our list today is a software engineering role for a newly grad, and this is a remote position, though it's primarily based in Poland. And in a minute we're gonna get to what you need to do to be able to get into this job wherever you live. It does not matter. So really they're looking for somebody who will come in as a newly grad as a software engineer. And just real quick about Samsara, this is a Internet of Things company headquarters in San Francisco, California. The company is publicly traded, as you can see here on a nice here's the CEO's name, the revenue they bring in every year, and it was founded in 2015. You can click and learn more about the company and see what it is that they do, and even find different jobs as well. But for the newly grads or entry-level software engineering role, here's what we're looking at. So working at Samsara means you help define the future of physics operations and be on a team that's shaping an exciting array of product solutions, including video-based safely vehicle telematics, apps and drives, workflow equipment monitoring, and site visibility. So at this role, they're looking for a talented engineer to join their back-end, front-end, full stack, and mobile infrastructure team. You work on a system that optimizes routes for fleets of vehicles that drive to 1 million miles per week, live rendering and animating thousands of vehicles concurrently in country-scale maps, video presenting and automatically classifying dangerous driving behaviors with their internet-connected dashboard cameras, and champion role modeling embedding Samsara's culture principles. So here are their principles. So the ideal candidate they're looking for is someone who will complete a bachelor's or master's in computer science or related technical field between fall or winter 2023 and summer 2024. So we inching towards summer 2024. This is based in Poland, and if you are based in Poland, that's ideal. But as we can see, if a role is required to be in a certain location and a candidate does not have work authorization for that location, Samsara will conduct an immigration assessment and can possibly sponsor your visa, fly you out, or let you work remotely. So that's one of the benefits of this position. You can read here more about some of the benefits they have: accommodations if you're someone who is outside of Poland, their work flexibility. So this is an incredible opportunity. Again, this is what they're looking for, what it is exactly you'll be doing. They even define what a back end, front end, full stack engineer is, which as a newly grad you should know. And I think this is an incredible opportunity. This company has been named Glassdoor's best place to work 2024 already. Best place to work by Build in 2024, great place to work by Certified in 2023, and Fast Company best place to work for innovators in 2023. So check that out. Link is down below in the description. Now the second job on our list is a junior software engineer. This is a remote position. Again, this is an entry-level software engineer roles, and this company is Borderless. Now this company specializes in secure payments. So think Cash App, think PayPal, and different things like that. Use cases for this is influencers, freelance marketplaces, gig economy, online marketplaces, travel, hospitality, and different places like that. So they make secure payouts, payments, and people can have multiple accounts and different things like that. You can check the link to see more about the company. Now they're looking for a junior software engineer that's passionate about learning in a fast-paced environment, and they are a small team of passionate entrepreneurs and engineers making a long-lasting impact by developing a product that will make an international payment simpler and affordable. So in essence, they're looking for a candidate in an entry-level position. Ideal candidate should have 0 to 1 year experience, so college, freelance experience, whatever the case is, in the industry, and will assist in development of their GraphQL API and React JS and other applications. So if you have proficiency in JavaScript and TypeScript, that is great. This role requires adaptability in a fast-paced environment, so This is a moving workplace that you got to be able to adapt, be able to learn on your feet, and be able to do some research. So in terms of what you'll be doing, you'll develop and maintain high performance quality code base. You will develop and implement new features, functionalities that will be used by thousands of users, effectively manage time to plan sprints, and report more senior engineers with what they need and what you are doing. It's a full-time, fully remote position, and you got to be able to speak English. So this is an Eastern time zone position. Here's a little bit of what the qualifications that they require. They have benefits and a lot of money that they're offering here. So if you're interested in this one, especially with this 401k match, you gotta apply. The link is down below in the description, so check that out. So this next role is a game developer. It's an intermediate role. I know I've mentioned entry level, but intermediate also like that 1 to 2 to 3 years experience in tech is really entry level, because a lot of applications will ask for 10 years experience. You gotta come knowing a lot of things. So this is with Big Viking. It's a video game app development company. This role unfortunately requires you to reside in Canada, but Canada is very welcoming of people from all over the world. So why they recognize that there's talent all over the world, you got to reside in Canada. So getting into the nitty-gritty, you will report to senior engineer managers, and you'll be working on flagship games, UWorld, Fish World. The ideal candidate will be seasoned game developer with experience in JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, PHP, and would develop games feature for UWorld and Fish World. So in terms of your duties, you will implement modern web design principles to ensure that their video games render well across multiple devices, so Xbox, PlayStation, wherever they host their games. And you will monitor game performances, watch for behavior changes related to site usability problems, and rectify any issues. So collaboration is also key, and implementation of APIs, agile prototype is also key, and things that you need to know. Here it is. You must have 4 years working experience in game development role. Got to know some coding languages, experience in both creating and using game design documents, and up-to-date knowledge in modern web security principles. It's nice to have these things here to list, and they have cool benefits. Lot of loot that they're offering. So this one, like I said, it's a little bit barrier entry. Got to reside in Canada, but like I said, Canada is very welcoming of people from all over the world. They might be able to sponsor you if you're able to get a job. Say, hey, look, I got a job, give me a visa. It requires a little bit of experience, but like I said, 4 years in the tech field is really considered entry level. So shoot your shot. The link is down below in the description. All right, so for this last one we're gonna look at today, if you are in Brazil, this company is actively recruiting in that location, and this is a trainee software engineering role in Sao Paulo, Brazil. That is awesome opportunity. They're inviting talent and people who are enthusiastic about software engineering, and they're trying to develop your experience. So what's in it for you? You jump into a fast-paced IT industry and work with a successful IT company with over 850 high-level specialists on board. Grow your qualifications by working with a modern and constantly updated tech stack. And what's in it for you? If you have just half a year experience in .NET experience, a good understanding of .NET framework and its component, that's great for you. Basic knowledge of object-oriented programming using C, the language C, that is good for you. If you have a general understanding of relational databases and Microsoft SQL Server, that's great for you. So not a lot in terms of what you bring to the table. It's desirable if you have basic front-end development skills in JavaScript and understanding of web service. That's great for you as well. This is some responsibilities, things that you'll be doing, and they have a lot that they offer you. If you can maintain a healthy work-life balance, they offer that. And they give you the opportunity to grow by learning, and also join a fun environment and get some really good compensation while doing it all remotely, as well as the opportunity to travel to Sao Paulo, Brazil. So that's incredible. That's dope stuff right there. So there it is, quick 4 entry-level tech jobs. I will be looking for more, so definitely subscribe to the channel. My name is Flex. It's what I'm passionate about on this channel, bringing high value remote work-life experience and different things that pertain to the job. So if you're into that kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you're looking for, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.